to today's video that is all about Thanksgiving Day games to play with your friends and family. These games are kid-friendly and do require that you make this adorable little cup turkey right here. Isn't he so cute? Hi, my name is Shawn. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're visiting, please subscribe, hit that like, and share this video with a friend. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to each and every one of you who watch my videos, who subscribe to my channel. November to me, and especially Thanksgiving Day here in the States, is all about being grateful and thankful to our friends and our family and those who support us. Every view you give me, every like, every share, every time you subscribe helps me, is supporting me, and I cannot thank you all enough. Let's get on to these Thanksgiving Day games, which is why you're here. This game is played one player at a time and is a challenge that is awarded prizes. You choose the prizes that go onto the plates that fit your group. You'll need 3 colors of paper plates and 3 matching colors of feathers and a blindfold per player. A player must match the feather to the plate. If they match correctly, they get what is on the plate for good or for bad. Turkey slider. No, I'm not talking about a food. Tape, paper plates, or if you have some paper pumpkins. I have some, I just could not find them for this game. I have misplaced my paper pumpkins, but I'm gonna link a pack of paper pumpkins. Say that 3 times fast. In the description box of this video, it's a link to Amazon where I normally get my paper pumpkins, but I used plates this time, and they work just as well. Write a point value on your paper plates. Make a plastic cup turkey. Because this is a Thanksgiving game and turkeys are fun, each player will take turns sliding their turkey slider down the table, and whichever plate they touch, they are awarded points. The player with the most points, you might want to have a fun prize for them at the end. Maybe they get to take home a homemade pumpkin pie, a homemade apple pie, or a gift card or something fun like that. Turkey shoot. I saw this one on Pinterest by a variety of pinners, and I had to try it for myself. I think this game would do better outside because you're using Nerf guns, but I tried it inside in an area where if a Nerf dart hit a wall, it wouldn't be so bad. Draw some turkeys onto balloons, string up your balloons. I hung mine from the ceiling because I don't have a helium tank. The ones I saw on Pinterest, they actually had helium in them. You could scatter them around your play area and just have a good old fun Nerf gun battle. Turkey balance. I love a good balancing challenge. Use your turkey cup that you just created. This would be fun to make with every player or every guest at your party. I think kids would really enjoy this. Place the cup on your head, and one leader will give instructions for challenges to do with a cup on your head. So balance on one leg, jump up and down, nod your head, turn in a circle, those kinds of challenges. If your turkey falls off your head, you are out of the game. The player remaining, award them a prize. Caramel turkey. Do you say caramel or caramel? Have a turkey creation contest using those baking caramels. We recently, my family and I, we made some caramel apples that were sliced in half. Hopefully I'm showing you a picture right now because they were delicious with lots of toppings on them. It was kind of a create your own caramel apple with toppings, but they were thin enough that you could actually enjoy the entire apple rather than struggling to bite into a whole apple. I reuse those caramels and have a contest of who can make the best turkey, or just have everybody make turkeys. It's a lot of fun using toothpicks. They even have colored toothpicks that you can buy at the store. And you could also use little candy eyes. Of course, I was out of those, but I still think my caramel turkey turned out adorable. Turkey tag. This is a game for when you need to get the kids out of the house. Maybe everybody's eating their Thanksgiving dinner and the adults want to have some chatting and adult conversation and you just want to send the kids outside. So give them the plastic turkey again and tell them how to play turkey tag. To play turkey tag, the person that is it is the one holding the turkey. Have players scatter around your yard, and the it turkey will run around and try and tag someone. If they touch someone, then they pass on the turkey to that person, and then that person becomes the turkey. Now, if you are the type of family that loves competitions, team competitions together, working together, this next game is for you. This is the Thanksgiving drawing team game. You will need to prepare 2 jars ahead of time with some popsicle sticks. I used just little dots to match up the popsicle sticks so I knew the 2 words that go together. So 1 jar will hold the first word, the second jar will hold the second word. Here you can see my example of pumpkin pie. 2 players will come up. 1 player will take a stick out of 1 jar, the other out of the second jar, and they don't show them to each other. So then they go up to a drawing board. You could use a paper plate, you could use an easel with paper, have them draw what is on their stick, and then their team has to guess the combined word. So for this example, they would need to guess pumpkin pie. And yes, both players draw at the same time. If you need more game ideas, I will link a playlist of my past Thanksgiving Day games in the description box down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.